Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial. So for today's video is how to buy on Facebook Marketplace. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Buying on Facebook Marketplace is a straightforward process. Here are the steps you need to follow to make a purchase. Now, first thing you gotta do is open up your Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Next is access Marketplace. If you press the profile picture with the 3 lines here, you can see her Marketplace. Then search for an item that you want to buy. You can search for it by typing keywords in the search bar or by browsing through the different categories. So let's try this one. Then select you want to buy. Then click the items to see more details such as description, price, and seller's location. So if you're interested, click on message to the seller to ask the questions or negotiate the price. Then, arrange the transaction. Once you agreed on the price and other dealer details with the seller, arrange to meet up to complete the transaction. Facebook recommends meeting in a public place. Favor the item. Make sure you have the agreed upon amount in cash or arrange a secure online payment method. Facebook does not offer any payment processing services, so be cautious about providing financial information to sellers you don't know. Complete the transaction. Once you paid for them, you can complete the transaction by marking the item as purchased on Facebook Marketplace. So that's it. You've successfully made a purchase on Facebook Marketplace. So if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!